Louis Vuitton versus Molly T. Just because you can, doesn't mean you should. A communications and branding perspective by Socium. The recent legal dispute between Louis Vuitton and F&B brand Molly T over the latter's logo is a reminder that a brand's legal strategy can increasingly affect its reputation. First of all, brand protection is not only about intellectual property, but also brand equity. When companies aggressively defend their trademarks, the legal rationale is often straightforward. Failing to act can be seen as acquiescence, but the court of law isn't the only one watching. Customers, employees, and the public are also interpreting what an action says about the organization. A case intended to protect a brand can quickly turn into a story about power, fairness, or corporate values. In Louis Vuitton's case, choosing to sue Molly T in the Chinese court has resulted in local public sentiments tilting in the favor of the smaller Chinese-owned company. This tells us that a strategy that wins in court but loses public confidence can still come at a cost. Secondly, in a resilient organization, legal teams and comms teams tend to be aligned throughout significant events. Too often, the communications team is only brought in after a dispute has made headlines. However, sometimes brands do factor the possible PR outcomes that may come with protecting their IP, and still decide to enforce their rights to prevent a slippery slope of acquiescence. The most resilient organizations align legal, communications, and leadership teams early, anticipating not just legal outcomes but also stakeholder reactions. Lastly, the litigation against Molly T could have been avoided if they had done due diligence at the point of brand creation. Before investing in a name or logo, it's good practice to conduct trademark searches and landscape scans to identify existing brands that may create legal conflicts. Beyond the obvious legal implications, choosing a name that's already associated with another business can also dilute SEO discoverability as more established brands will have dominance over search results. In an era where legal battles unfold in the court of public opinion as much as in the courtroom, communications should never be an afterthought in a brand's IP strategy. Want to better navigate your brand's PR and branding landscape? Visit our website at socium.sg to find out more about what Socium can offer.